namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about no application is perfectly secure. And why that's so? Because the developers are thinking they can design the application very fast and at low cost. Okay, they are not considering the security. Yeah, and if they are even thinking yes, this is the secure app they are designing, then attacker are very smart. They are organized. They are finding the different ways to find the loopholes in the app. Okay, and how then what the solution for this problem? There is a solution is that when the developers are developing the website, when if they at the time of development they include or essentially include that security in their designing part, then definitely whatever the app they will design, it will be stronger than the security without include in the design. Okay, so let's see it how it works. There are basically two sections here we can see. One is for the development side. Here are the for the this zone is for the developer zone, and this zone is for the operation zone, which will implement the application in the production or on the server or where they need to implement it here. So here when the developer get a request, okay, or an order to design an application, to build an application, what the cycle they follow, okay, and if at the point of designing, when they are just even that planning, if they include the security, as you can say, security is the boundary for the operation and the development as well. Okay. So security is the, we can say, glue. It is just we can say forced to implement the security on the both side, development side and the operation side. Without it, if they will develop a app, that will not be secure. So again they need to release some updates, or hackers will find out that ways to damage their application when they will design. Okay. And if they include the security at the starting point, at the foundation level, then definitely whatever the app they will design, it will be more secure as compared to without the security consideration. Okay. So just let's have a look on it when they are including the security as a part of their development and the operation functions. Yeah. So for example, they are just planning a application, and they are also considering yes, now the development team is having the knowledge of the security. They are considering yes, these type of attacks generally happen on these kind of applications. Even for example, if such application whatever they are designing, they will find out if anyone of our competitor is using that kind of application and what kind of attack happen on it. So they are having now a complete market analysis about that product, and they are along with it, they are also having the data of the attack happen on such kind of application. Okay, so just to give a full proof against those attack, they will consider those things at the planning level. Okay, and as per those planning, security will be the essential part of it. They will create an application. Okay. After creating the application, they will just monitor it or analyze analytically, find out yes, this is it working properly. Okay, so they just verify it, whatever they got the request, and as per whatever they designed, is it properly working or not. If not, then they will again modify some features or setting in the end in this applications, and again they will verify it. Okay. After the complete verifications and all, they just will satisfied about their about their project or about their development, then they will hand over that for the production. So they will send to the production and over there the operation team, okay, which will implement that applications whatever they developed. It can be the in-house team or it can be the outsourced team, okay. And here they will configure that application whatever they received from the development team, and again they will detect is that working properly on the environment where what type of servers they are having or the web server they are having, how much type of data they are getting or they are requesting, whether that application is performing as per the request they are getting to access it, okay, or what is the performance level of that application, what is they are expecting from that application. So on the all the parameter what is required for that company to get their desired output from it, they will just make a checklist of it and then say okay, if that's working a tick mark, and then tick if some part will not work as per the expectation, they will just mark it down and it will again hand over or they will talk to the development team, yes this part is not working, and then they will make they will just correct it, okay. And after that this here this in the respond part they will uh, say yes this is part is working properly and this part we need some kind of modification. And what type of they will also predict yes some kind of things we need to include in that one, it might be create some problem or it we need some more modification into it, and then they will hand over this to the development team, and they will also test the security features or if that operation team where they are implementing it, okay, at that level, because now on this environment the application will work, okay. So they again they just check all the tests or they will perform the different attack at that level, then they come to know yes whatever the application our team has developed, then is it working in the way or what kind of loophole still exist, then they will talk to the development team and then they will correct. In this way the development team and the operation team when work in the mindset of the security in their mind, yes we want a application that must be very very secure and will be fight against the kind of attack which we know, okay. And if some new kind of attack will happen, then definitely they will inform to the development team, and then development team will produce another release or the patch or any update to that one, and they will again implement those patches on that application, and they will whatever the customers or the employees they are using that application, they will hand over those patches or just send those patches to, okay. So in this way when we are including the security at every level in the development side and the operation side, definitely we are making secure application, okay. Otherwise without security attack will happen, they will steal the valuable information, they can delete the data, or they can there are a lot of attacks which can happen in case of the weak or unsecure application, okay. So follow me on the cyber security prism over there, get the notification for the next very interesting informative session, and forward that video with your friend to your friend, so that they will be able to understand yes what is DevOps and Dev security ops, and how that's important for a developers and the operation team, and what is the importance of the security in the complete model, okay. And in the next session I will discuss about how can you build a cyber security strategy for you. Namaste, see you in the next session.